What's up guys, so finally today I am going to unbox Redmi Note 8 Pro. Well, this device is one of the most affordable and high spec device which has been launched in China a couple of days ago. Without any further ado, let's unbox this device. So first of all, we have a red, and on the front we have seen the Redmi Note 8 branding, while on the right side we see the Redmi Note 8 branding as well. So on the back side we see specification of the device which are written in Chinese. Well, the device which is coming is a global variant while the box is Chinese. So right now the box which I will be unboxing right now has 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage inside it. So let's open the box and see what are the other box content which are coming inside the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Well, the first thing, we have a white box which I believe will have a silicone case inside and some startup guide. So let's put this aside and see what are the other content. So we have the device itself wrapped in a plastic. So uncovering the device from the plastic, we see a nice elegant device, and it includes a water drop notch on the front. So put aside this device for a moment and see what are the other things which are coming in the box. Well, we have a USB Type-C cable. Along with that, we have a 18-watt USB fast charging inside the box, and that's really impressive from Xiaomi. As considering the price, this device includes an 18-watt of fast charging built inside. So that's a cool feature which is coming in a Redmi Note 8 Pro. Now looking at the white box, opening the box, we will see a SIM ejector tool inside, and along with that we see some paperwork which are normally no one reads. And finally we have a silicone cover for the device. So moving on towards the device, let's remove the front cover from the device and see what this device looks like. Well, the first impression from my side, that device looks awesome, and it has a nice glossy look on the front as well as on the back side. And if we talk about the screen, well, it's a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display and has a camera of 20 megapixel on the front side, and it is protected with the Gorilla Glass 5 support both on the front and the back side, which is, I believe, that is not impressive from Xiaomi. That I was expecting that this time Xiaomi will include AMOLED display in their Redmi Note series, but they haven't, so we have to live with IPS LCD display. Well, on the back side we have 4 cameras. One is 64 megapixel primary camera, 9 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel dedicated micro lens, and 2 megapixel depth sensor camera. Well, in terms of camera, Xiaomi has put inside all the cameras which are required for a great photography. Along with the cameras, we also have a LED flash and a fingerprint scanner on the back side. Below we have a 3.5 headphone jack, a Type-C port for charging and data transfer, a microphone, and a speaker grill. On the right side we have a power button and a volume rocker, while on the top we have IR blaster and a noise cancellation microphone, and on the left side we have a SIM tray. So let's find out what is inside the SIM tray slot, whether it is a hybrid SIM or dual SIM. We will check out. By opening the SIM tray slot, we will find out that we have a hybrid SIM slot right now, and we can either put 2 SIM inside the device, or we can add 1 SIM card and a micro SD card. Well, if we talk about what is coming inside the device, well, we have a MediaTek G90T processor inside, which is obviously a chipset for gaming. So guys, this phone will be a gaming powerhouse, and to power it up for pro gamers, it have included a 4500 mAh of a battery which is coming inside, and it is non-removable. And along with that, if we have a 4500 mAh of a battery, we need a fast charger. So Xiaomi has done it, and they are providing 18-watt of fast charging inside the box. Along with that, we have a high RAM variant which is 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, which is coming alongside the device, which make this device a more of a powerhouse. Moving on towards the software side, we have an Android 9 Pie based MIUI 10 inside. As part that, we also have camera images taken with the device, and the quality is impressive. Some of them are showing right now. Compared to the video, I feel it lacks stabilization inside. We see a ton of features inside this device like night mode, portrait mode, slow-mo, 64 megapixel camera, and so on. If we talk about the biometric and security feature, well, Redmi Note 8 Pro is not behind in this as well. We see both fingerprint scanner as well as face unlock inside, and they are pretty much fast. I have checked both of them, and they are pretty much impressive and unlock the device very fast. You can see fingerprint unlock. I just put my finger on the back back of the fingerprint scanner and it unlocked the device very fast. Similarly, if I put my face in front of the face unlock, it pretty much unlocked the device pretty fast. The fingerprint scanner as well as the face ID are impressive. I am really impressed with the quality of both the face scanner as well as the fingerprint scanner. So honestly, this device is full of specification embedded, so I am hoping it will be an impressive device. So if you want to buy this device, then you can get it at a price of 980 dirhams in UAE, and pretty much this. And if you want to buy this device, well, you can buy this from the sponsor of this video, the Avast Dog. This is their card. You can contact them via phone or on their WhatsApp number, and if you need my help, I am always ready to help you guys. So thanks for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe this channel for more videos like that.